Well, let's keep talking crypto now and bring in Antoni Trenchev. He's co-founder of Nexo, joining us from Sofia in Bulgaria. Antoni, so good to have you on this morning. Thanks again for joining us. So you heard Sam outlining the latest from China, the PBOC saying these digital assets cannot be used as a form of payment, but no real surprises there, given the fact that China is also pushing ahead with the digital yuan. But just your reaction to the price of Bitcoin this morning, which is now tracking at its lowest levels since about February as a result.
Well, I missed the world of yesterday where we could all blame it on Elon Musk. It was a much simpler time. And now we have China yet again banning something crypto related. They do this every 3 months. So I don't know whether that has any sway anymore on the markets. And, quite frankly, they're pushing their own agenda. They now have their own government centrally issued cryptocurrency. So it's obvious they're going to be trashing and pushing down other cryptocurrencies. No surprises here.
Okay, so explain to me why we've seen such a downward drift since Tesla announced that you could no longer buy cars using Bitcoin. Obviously, there's something else going on as well here, right?
Yeah, well, quite frankly, I don't think anyone was lining up to buy Teslas with Bitcoin. A total number of 7 people, perhaps, but that's why you have services such as Nexo, where you can borrow against your crypto, keep the upside potential of your digital assets, whether it's Bitcoin, something else, and buy the Tesla you want. So it is, another in a long line of back and forth within Elon Musk's own narratives. And quite frankly, Grimes, if you're watching, please take this guy of Twitter, XAsh812, take your dad's phone away so that we can live in a simpler world.
Right, that's going to bring me to my next question. You've been publicly on the record saying that Elon Musk needs to wake up to the reality that with his following, even single-worded tweets can move the market. How difficult then has the crypto space been, given all of the tweets and commentary that have been coming out from Elon Musk?
Well, quite frankly, crypto is bigger than any one individual, and that includes the world's richest or second richest man, depending on what the Tesla stock is doing. And quite frankly, every bull run within crypto has seen 5 to 7 declines in excess of 30%. So this bull cycle is no exception to that. And a curious thing that we're seeing on the Nexo platform, actually a lot of people, a lot of our clients are rotating out of Bitcoin and into Ethereum. And, you can see that in the price action, Ethereum dramatically outperforming Bitcoin this past few months. So I think, with the run-up we had in Bitcoin, now it's time for some of the other smaller guys to perform rather well. So I don't think that crypto, the bull run in crypto as such, is over just yet.
Okay, we'll ask you on your call on that in a moment. But going back to the issue around China, if crypto is to become mainstream, doesn't China need to be part of that, given that it's the second largest economy in the world?
Well, obviously, it's better to have China on board, whether that's climate change, cryptocurrency adoption, fighting the ill actors of this world. It's obviously better to have them on board. But as I mentioned, they have now their own cryptocurrency, so they're pushing their own agenda. To bring down crypto, there needs to be a coordinated action by the G20 countries, and I don't think this is happening quite yet. Obviously, it's better for adoption if everybody is on board, but everybody has got their own agenda.
Yeah, look, Antoni, nevertheless, all of this really still underscoring how regulation is still a major risk for the asset class, but I digress. I wanted to ask you about your price call. Last time you were on CNBC, you said it's inevitable that Bitcoin reaches 100,000 USD in the next 12 to 18 months. Are you holding on to that call now?
Well, I am. Long term, I do think that crypto is going to continue to outperform. It's just the macroeconomic environment as such, is in favor of Bitcoin. But I also said that if we cannot convincingly break out from the 65 level, we could revisit the 40s and the mid-30s, 30,000s of Bitcoin, and that wouldn't have a bearing on the overall bull run. As I said, These are corrections that are normal in any bull market. So it is a matter of the right time horizon. And with crypto, you got to take the long-term view, because on the 1, 5, 10-year scale, crypto tends to outperform just about any other asset class.
Antoni, we have to leave it there. Thank you very much, as always, for your insights. Antoni Trenchev from Nexo joining us there. Well, Google...